Big news that's got everyone talking. Social Security payments are getting a major boost, and some recipients are about to see an extra $6,200 hitting their accounts tomorrow. I know you're wondering if you're one of the lucky ones, so let's dive into exactly who's getting this increase and what you need to know about these new payments. Before we get into all the details, if you want to stay updated on Social Security changes and get the latest money-saving tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Your financial future might depend on it. You might be asking yourself, why such a significant increase and why now? Well, the Social Security Administration has been working to address the rising cost of living and inflation that's been hitting Americans hard. This $6,200 boost isn't just a random number. It's carefully calculated to help beneficiaries maintain their purchasing power in today's economy. But here's the burning question. Are you eligible for this increased payment? The truth is, not everyone will see this full amount, and the eligibility criteria are pretty specific. Let's break down exactly who qualifies and how much you might receive. First up, let's talk about the maximum benefit increase. If you're a retired worker who waited until age 70 to claim benefits and had maximum taxable earnings for at least 35 years, you could be looking at that full $6,200 annual increase. That breaks down to about $517 extra per month. Not too shabby, right? Now, you might be wondering, what about those of us who claimed benefits earlier or had different earning histories? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Even if you're not getting the maximum increase, there's still a good chance you'll see a noticeable bump in your payments. For married couples where both spouses receive benefits, the impact could be even more significant. If both of you qualify for increased payments, your household could see a substantial boost to your monthly income. This is especially important for couples planning their retirement budget or those already living on a fixed income. But here's something many people don't realize. These increases aren't just for retired workers. If you're receiving disability benefits through Social Security as SDI, you might also be eligible for higher payments. The same goes for SSI recipients and those receiving survivor benefits. Speaking of disability benefits, let's address a common question. Do I need to do anything to get this increase? The great news is that if you're eligible, these increases will be applied automatically. You don't need to fill out any paperwork or make any phone calls. The Social Security Administration will handle everything for you. Now, here's where things get interesting. The timing of these payments. The Social Security Administration follows a specific schedule based on your birth date. If your birthday falls between the 1st and 10th of the month, you'll be among the first to see these increased payments. Those with birthdays later in the month will receive their payments according to the regular schedule. Another question that keeps popping up in my comments is, will these increases affect my other benefits? This is crucial information, especially if you're receiving Medicare, Medicaid, or other government assistance. In most cases, these increases won't negatively impact your other benefits, but it's always good to be aware of income limits for certain programs. Let's talk about taxes for a moment, because yes, these increased benefits could affect your tax situation. Depending on your total income, up to 85% of your Social Security benefits might be taxable. It's worth consulting with a tax professional to understand how these higher payments might impact your tax liability. Here's something that might surprise you. These increases aren't just a one-time thing. The Social Security Administration regularly reviews and adjusts benefit amounts through cost of living adjustments, COLAs. This means that as long as inflation continues to be a factor, we could see more increases in the future. But wait, there's more. If you're still working while receiving Social Security benefits, you'll want to pay attention to the earnings limits. For 2024, these limits have also been adjusted, meaning you might be able to earn more without having your benefits reduced. One thing I can't stress enough is the importance of checking your My Social Security account online. This is where you'll be able to see your updated benefit amount and track when these increases will hit your account. If you haven't set up your account yet, now's the perfect time to do it. You might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what about future generations? It's a valid concern. The Social Security system is constantly evolving, and understanding these changes can help you make better financial planning decisions for yourself and your family. Let's address another common question. What if I'm not receiving the amount I think I should be? If you believe there's an error in your benefit calculation, you have the right to appeal. The Social Security Administration has a specific process for reviewing and correcting benefit amounts. For those of you planning to retire soon, these increases might affect your decision about when to claim benefits. Remember, the age at which you start receiving benefits can significantly impact your monthly payment amount. With these new increases, the difference between claiming early and waiting until full retirement age, or even age 70, could be even more substantial. Here's a tip that many people overlook. If you're currently receiving benefits and still working, make sure to report any significant changes in your income to the Social Security Administration. This could affect your benefit amount and help you avoid any unexpected issues down the road. Before we wrap up, I want to address one more crucial question. What if I need help understanding my specific situation? The Social Security Administration offers free consultations, and their representatives can help you understand exactly how these increases will affect your personal benefits. Now, here's your call to action. Don't just watch this video and move on. Take action today to secure your financial future. First, check your My Social Security account to verify your benefit amount. Second, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel for more updates on Social Security changes and financial tips. And third, share this video with friends and family who might benefit from this information. Remember to hit that like button if you found this information helpful, and drop a comment below with any questions you have about these Social Security increases. We've got a great community here, and I love helping you all navigate these important financial changes. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on future Social Security changes and money-saving tips. We're all in this together, and staying informed is the key to making the most of your benefits. That's all for today, but I'll be back soon with more updates and financial tips to help you make the most of your money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.